Since Andrew has been making a lot of headlines for getting banned from TikTok and other social media platforms, we figured it'd be best to amuse you guys with a look inside his millionaire lifestyle. So sit back and enjoy the video. The 35-year-old kickboxer is recently under hot water for making extremely hateful content which not only promoted sexism, but also attracted a lot of negative attention. With a net worth of $350 million, Tate has spent 2 decades providing his services in kickboxing and teaching the youth all the secrets to become a pro at kickboxing. Despite the recent drama, people love Andrew's humor and his way of living. But since his sarcasm sometimes hits its peak, social apps prefer to restrain him every now and then. Besides his terrific humor, Andrew is a man of devotion and has built an empire for himself with blood and sweat. Want to know more about his lifestyle? How about you keep watching to find out how our man lives his life with hundreds of millions in his bank account. Hello and welcome to our channel, The Wealthy Few. In today's video, we are going to discuss Andrew Tate's ultimately scandalous and millionaire lifestyle. So make sure to watch the video till the end to find out more, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos about the richest people in the world. Best known for being crowned the Ithaca World Champion 3 times, the British-American athlete has currently indulged himself in a pot of mixed businesses that are bringing in some good cash. Whether or not he's retiring, we can guarantee that Andrew is taking a break from his old profession and taking time to vlog and travel the world. Andrew's super active fans made him join the YouTube community and entertain the world with delightful content. From his YouTube channel, we have gotten to know his personal side very well. Currently, he's been living with his brother in a mansion which is way out of our league. Besides Andrew's super active social accounts, Andrew has also become the most Googled man. Well, we are fully aware why. Wink wink. It is certain that you all know about his personal life through his social media, but here are some of Andrew's luxuries and his business rituals that a lot of you might have never heard of. So make sure you watch until the end to find out more, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great videos. Andrew's views and sarcasm always drag him down in the media, but you guys will never believe how much money he makes by getting himself into controversies. Not giving people the chance to initiate rumors, Andrew himself shared in a recent interview that he is soon to become a trillionaire and compete with Jeff and Elon. Most of the time, Andrew is just bluffing, and the stuff he says literally doesn't make sense. But at the same time, he told his story about earning $100 million within the last 3 years of his late 20s. This story has people hoping he's not lying right now. Besides that, finding out about his annual income is as astonishing as the black hole that has recently been discovered by NASA. With a wholesome personality, Andrew has been able to make $40 million for the past couple of years. We are just shocked to find out that the goofy guy runs a university called the Hustlers University, which generates a ton of money annually, and also has become one of his major sources of income. Perhaps the university doesn't fill his void because Andrew has a lot going on in his life right now. How can one even manage? Besides the university, Andrew earns solid cash from his YouTube channel, webcam business, a casino firm, and the War Room. Andrew has also made a huge investment in cryptocurrency, which is surely going to make him billions. With a personality to die for, he owns some of the most exquisite and expensive things that a common man can only dream of. He currently resides in a beautiful mansion in Washington, D.C. But a list of his remarkable real estate tells us that he not only owns properties all across the globe in his favorite places, but he also changes his residencies for his vlogs. Currently, Andrew, tagged along with his brother, has moved from their longtime England home to a beautiful and very lively home in one of the finest places in Romania. The dude is legit living our dream. And that's all for today, guys. What did you think about the sarcastic and scandalous millionaire? Let us know in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed the video. We'll be back soon with more amazing content, so stay tuned. And don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our latest updates. Thanks for watching.